guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a Pride look. With June being the Pride month, I figured why not do a Pride look. I'm just going to do everything rainbow and very, very colorful just to celebrate us as a gay community. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. So starting off, what I need to do is I need to cover my forehead area with foundation, and I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in the shade Light 44. For my contour, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette in the shade Java. Going back in with my Beauty Blender, I'm just going to blend that out. For my brows today, I'm going to be using the shade Havana from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. Taking my Beauty Blender, I'm going to ombre the front half of my eyebrow. Just to clean up the edge, underneath the eyebrow, I'm going to be taking Kat Von D's Lock It Foundation in the shade Light 42, which is a little bit lighter than the shade that I just put down on my forehead as my base. And once again, taking my Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend that out. And just taking my baby powder, I can set that all in place. Alright, so now that we have our forehead area nice and set, what I need to do is I need to reinforce the contour. So I'm going to be taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette in the powder form, and I'm going to be taking the shade Havana, and I'm just going to go over where I just put the contour. So our eye look today is going to be a rainbow cut crease, but we're going to separate the rainbow. So the first three colors are going to be on the top of the eye, and the last three colors are going to be on the bottom of the eye. So we're going to start with red, orange, and yellow for the top, and I'm going to be taking Jeffree Star's Red Rum, and I'm going to draw a line defining the cut crease on the outer edge of the eye. For right now, it doesn't have to be as perfect as you want it to. We're going to blend it out with some shadows later. So I actually don't have a orange eyeshadow or an orange base, so I'm going to be taking Queen Bee from Jeffree Star's summer collection from last year or the year before that, I can't remember which one, and hit the shade Red Rum, and I'm going to mix them together to make an orange. Now just taking Queen Bee once again, I'm going to finish off and put the inner corner in of the cut crease. So now that we have our three rainbow colors nice and on there on the top of our eye, what we need to do is take some eyeshadow to reinforce them and help blend out those colors. So I'm going to be taking the shade Love from Sugar Pill, and I'm going to put that on the red portion of our cut crease. Taking the shade Butter Cupcake from Sugar Pill, I'm going to put that on the yellow area of the cut crease just to help blend out the color. Now just taking a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend those two colors together to make an orange color. Taking Taco by Sugar Pill, I'm going to pop that right underneath the eyebrow to act as a highlight for the brow bone. To carve out my lid, I'm going to use Drug Lord by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And just taking Taco by Sugar Pill, I'm going to set that. Taking NYX's That's the Point liner, I'm going to line my eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline using NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And taking Jeffree Star's Drug Lord once again, I'm going to extend the inner corner. And just to set that, I'm going to take Sugar Pill's Taco. So I'm going to be taking the shade Light 44 from the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on the lower half of my face. Now taking the shade Havana from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, I'm going to contour my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. And just taking my Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend that out. Taking the same brush with no extra product on it, I'm going to buff that out a little bit. And once again, taking my Beauty Blender, I'm going to go over that just a little bit more. Now taking some baby powder, I can set the whole underside of my face. Now taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit, I'm going to take the shade Havana and I'm going to go over where I just put all the contour. Taking I'm Royalty by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line on the outer corner. Now taking the shade Velocity from Sugar Pill Cosmetics, I'm going to pop that right beside the purple. So I want this eyeshadow to be very, very pigmented and bright, so I'm going to put down a base of foundation just so that the eyeshadow has something to stick onto. It also makes the color a lot more concentrated. Taking Acid Berry from Sugar Pill Cosmetics, I'm going to pop that right where I just put the tacky eyeshadow base. So our eyeshadow is nice and complete, and as you can see, I've just thrown on some lashes. These are just a double stacked pair of 301s. So what we need to move on to now is our blush, and I'm going to be taking Dolly Pop by Sugar Pill. And for my highlight today, I'm going to be taking Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be going in with Jeffree Star Cosmetics shade Masochist. Now going in with Backstage Bambi by Kat Von D Beauty, I'm going to fill in the center of my lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and dot on my moles with my Sharpie. And just to set it all in place, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So this is the completed makeup look. What I need to do now is put my wig and my costume on, and I will be back with the final reveal. So this is the completed look. As you can see, I went for something that's a little bit more on the pageant style of drag. Very, very clean, very, very soft, and very, very elegant. I wanted to do a more turned up version of myself. So this is what I came up with. When I think about Pride, I think about amazing queens and so much color and life and happiness. So I wanted this look to be super bright, colorful, and happy. I really hope you guys liked this video. I had so much fun creating it. So right before I send off this video, I just want to say that if there's anyone out there that's going out to do their very first Pride and they're not sure what to expect, just have fun, live your life, be super, super gay, and don't let anyone or anything tell you that you can't be happy, because you are incredible and perfect and beautiful. So go out there and fuck them up and make sure you guys have so much fun. So leave a little rainbow emoji if you guys like this video. I want to know if you guys have any special plans for Pride, because I'm super pumped for Pride. I'm going to be doing a few different things here and there. That's it for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're not already, make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell just so that you're notified every single time that I upload a video. I love you guys so much, and until the next one, I will have to say goodbye. Bye guys!